Now, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has been sent back to the drawing board after the High Court dismissed a 2.5 billion shillings tender that was awarded to a Dubai-based firm for printing ballot papers for the general election. According to Judge George Odunga, the tendering process should now, of course, be pursued to see how the same will unfold.
Pearl Media, a South African-based printing company, had challenged the award of the 2.5 billion shilling ballot paper printing tender to the Dubai firm Al Ghurair Printing and Publishing Company, but was dismissed by the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board, which upheld IEBC's decision. However, a group of lawyers from the opposition, led by Siaya Senator James Orengo, moved to the High Court and filed under a certificate of urgency an application seeking the termination of the tender on grounds that it did not comply with the New Elections Act. And while issuing a ruling Monday afternoon, High Court Judge George Odunga quashed the tender on grounds that it had been awarded 2 months before the new election laws came into effect. Yet the former commissioners, led by Zaka's son, were still in office illegally and went ahead and signed the tender. According to Judge Odunga, although he appreciates that the commission is running late in terms of its timelines, the courts cannot allow an illegality for the sake of public interest, and that the process should start afresh for the sake of transparency from both teams. The ruling caught the commissioners unawares, even as they were busy filing reports of investigations into claims that some rogue IEBC poll clerks were registering people illegally in favor of some politicians. According to the communications director, Andrew Limo, they are still studying the ruling, and their lawyers will advise them whether to appeal or start the tendering process afresh. Given the tedious process of awarding tenders in government, from advertising, shortlisting before approving the company that has won the tender, the earliest IEBC can award a new tender is mid-April. On several occasions, the IEBC has been forced to revise their timelines so that they can conform with the new electoral laws. In December last year, Judge George Odunga issued orders stopping the IEBC from awarding a tender to audit firm KPMG for the review of voter registers. CORD had moved to court to challenge the tender awarded to KPMG after defeating 12 other companies in a bid to scrutinize 15.85 million listed voters on grounds that the award did not involve a professional and reputable firm to conduct an audit. The case is yet to be determined. Chris Dairo, KTN News.